Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Hoea. So today I'll be doing a Zara haul. The last one I did was a couple of months ago and it was transitional kind of summer to fall clothing. But this is strictly winter stuff. And I feel like all of 2020, the way I've been dealing has just been retail therapy. I'm so happy this year is almost over. Toronto is in lockdown right now. There's snow on the ground. It's just like worst case scenario for me. And so getting these packages at my door has been the highlight. Honestly, I spent all of December just ordering pieces here and there. And I'm excited to be doing this collective haul today. So if you're new here, I would love if you'd subscribe to my channel. And if you're back, thank you so much for tuning in again. So today is really, like I said, more like winter stuff. It's cozy sweaters like this, it's blazers, it's coats. And I'm gonna be doing this haul a little bit differently than I usually do. Normally it's a try on haul and I'm like kind of like talking you through like what I like, what I don't like, and while I have like the item on. In this case, I'm gonna be sitting here and like showing you the item, and then somewhere over here, I'm gonna be modeling the item for myself. And I figured we'll just switch it up and see how we feel about this. So without stretching this intro out any longer than it needs to be, hopefully you guys enjoy and stay tuned because the haul is up next. Okay, so first up we have this green blazer. Honestly, it is so thick and such a beautiful color. I am obsessed with it. It comes with this like pocket detail right here, and it really is extra long. Like you can see me wearing it, you see how far down it comes, and I'm a tall girl. So I basically love just like how much you can do with this blazer. You can wear it as a dress. And just like have a little belt if you want to cinch it in the middle, or if you want just like the oversized dress look, you can just wear it by itself. You can wear it with, I would pair it with some black leather pants and some chunky boots. You could pair it with like a skirt. You could do so much with this. You could throw it honestly on top of a cute little dress if that's what you wanted to do. This just like has so many different ways that you can wear it, and that's honestly why I love it. Not to mention the color. I'm obsessed with the color. So this, I think they described it as hunter green, and it really is this like beautiful kind of rich earth tone. All around, this is a yes for me. Not to mention it is on sale. Zara's Boxing Day sale is coming up, and this originally is priced at $100, but on sale it is dropped down to $50. $49.90 for such a thick and beautiful blazer. 1000% worth it. Okay, so next up, honestly, is it even a haul if I don't have faux leather pants? I have these chocolate brown faux leather leggings from Zara, and they honestly give you like the fake pant look. They have like this pocket detail that's not real, and I really feel like in terms of affordability and in terms of quality, Zara definitely always delivers with their faux leather pants and leggings. It comes with the signature kind of zipper detail right here on the bottom of the pant leg to just if you want to have it open up, or if you want it to stay kind of zipped up to give you the skinny pant look. But honestly, I really have been on the hunt for this chocolate brown color, and I'm so happy that I finally found it. And these, I believe, were $40. Yeah, $39.90, and I 100% feel like they are worth it. So all around for me, this is a yes. Love, love, love. Love Zara faux leather pants, and this color, you guys know me in this color, so honestly this wasn't even a doubt in my mind. Okay, so next up I have this knit dress, which I am honestly obsessed with. It just looks like a sweater honestly when you look at it from this way, but it actually is really bulky on the top, and then it thins out at the bottom to be more fitted down here, so it gives the look of a skirt and a top, and it really has this like puffy sleeve detail, which I am obsessed with, and of course obviously the color. My only issue with this dress is that it is a bit itchy, which I don't love. I love it when sweater materials are just like nice and soft. But in terms of the style of this dress, I feel like Zara's been doing a few of these types of dresses where they're big on top and then they kind of thin out in the like midsection to the bottom to just give it that like dramatic effect up top. And honestly, I really love this dress. I think it's super cute. I paid $59.90 for it, but because Zara's Boxing Day sale is kicking in, it is on sale and it's only $35.90 now. So 100% worth it. If you're not gonna mind the itchy little feeling that you'll get wearing it, I'm sure it'll go away after a while. But all around, it's super cute and it's winter, so why not be warm and cute at the same time? Okay, so next up I have this shacket. I feel like shackets are like the item for autumn winter 20. They have been everywhere and they're honestly just like so useful. I'm really glad that there have been so many more options of these. I remember last year I was stealing my husband's oversized kind of like shirt jacket thing, or I guess it's his jacket, and I've been wearing those, but then this year I just found that they were everywhere, so it's been really nice to be able to like find them. It comes with this like belt that you can tie it around if you don't want that and you just want it to be like an oversized shirt. You can definitely do that. This isn't the first shacket that I've had in one of my hauls, but I just love the material of this. It's nice and thick and it's definitely something that I could wear when it's a little bit cold outside. And all around, love the color, love the look, love the feel. So this is a yes for me. Okay, so I have been obsessed with puffer jackets, and when I saw this puffer vest, I couldn't help myself. I love it. I think it's so cute, and it just kind of reminds me of like back when, I don't know if it was like in elementary school or in middle school, but like when puffer jackets were really the thing. So my closet has been slowly filling up with puffer jackets, but when I saw this vest, I was like 100% I have to get it. Just all around, I think it's so cute. I went with the black because it's a neutral color and you can just do so much with it. I bought this in a size medium and I believe it was $59.90. It just feels like really good quality. It looks really cute on. This, like a pair of chunky boots, obviously, like with sneakers, with anything, like it's a vibe. So this is a yes for me. Okay, so next up I have these. I bought the Ottoman Leggings, and in this color. So I actually have them in black, and I have been obsessed with them. They just like feel, they're so comfortable to put on. They have the perfect amount of stretch. They're long, which is so important for me. And it has like this split detail like right on the bottom, which always looks so cute with shoes on. And I just like, clearly this is my color for this haul. This like cream color, I was just like, you know what, like I love this. Like if you're going for like a monochromatic look, like I would just pair this with like a white top and like my cream puffer, or this other jacket that I'm going to show you guys next. But all around, they feel so comfortable on. They're cute. You can dress them up, you can dress them down. I honestly love it. So these were always going to be a yes for me. But bonus, they are on sale right now. So because Zara's Boxing Day sale, like I mentioned earlier, the original price of these is $35.90 and they are on sale for $25.99. So I would 100% say if you're looking for pants, then get them because these are great. And they're on sale. Who doesn't love a sale? Okay, so next up I have this oversized coat that I bought. I already mentioned clearly this is the color of this haul, but I love this coat. It's just like so cute and so stylish when you put it on. It gives you that like beautiful oversized vibe and you can just do so much with it. You can throw it on top of a dress, you can throw it on top of a skirt, you can throw it on top of a pair of jeans, some pants, like whatever it is you want to do, you can do with it because it's such a neutral color. It'll always look cute and it's nice and thick. Like that's what I love about it. It's actually really warm. So the original price of this, actually I don't think this coat is on sale. So because it's an oversized jacket, I bought it in a size small because anything bigger than that I feel like would just look way too big on me. So it is, I believe, $100. Yeah, I paid $99.90 for it. And it's not on sale, unfortunately, but honestly, that's not a lot of money for such a cute coat. I feel like it's definitely worth it. This coat is my vibe. Okay, last but not least, I have this midi skirt. Again, it's cream. I don't know why it's looking white on camera, but it's actually this like beautiful cream color with that nice slit right in the middle, and the slit doesn't come up too high, which I absolutely love. And I've been eyeing the skirt for a while. I wasn't sure about it, but I was like, you know what, let me just try it out, and I genuinely do love it. I think it's so cute. It has like pockets in the back, has pockets in the front. It's not too heavy. It has a lot of give, and the inside is like this really soft material, even though the outside is that full leather material. And this is another thing that is actually on sale right now. So the original price is $49.99, and I got this skirt in a medium. And it definitely is true to size. So if you want like a looser fit, then size up. If you want it super, super tight and you think you can get it in, then size down. It's actually on sale right now for $25.99, which I feel like is so worth it. So another item that is on sale that is super cute. So yeah, I would definitely say this is a yes for me. And then I also bought, I almost forgot, this beanie. So I've been looking for like a cream one. I feel like I've only ever owned black ones, but I feel like cream is such a cute color. This one is like ribbed. It actually looks exactly like the sweater that I'm wearing. I think it might be a little bit too big for my head. I have to be really careful with these because my hair makes my head look bigger than it is, but I actually have like a peanut sized head. So sometimes hats are way too big. But honestly, this is just like so thick and so warm. I love it. So I feel like I'm just gonna have to make it work one way or another. But I think Zara only has one size for their hats and I love it. So yeah. Okay guys, and that is it for my Zara haul. Hopefully you enjoyed that and you found a couple of pieces that you can buy in the sale if they don't sell out. I feel like Zara and H&M are actually notorious for selling out so quickly. But honestly, these prices I already did not mind, but those sale prices, if you guys can get some of these items at those prices, such a steal, so worth it. I would 100% recommend grabbing them. There isn't anything in this haul that I don't really like. I think the one thing that I'm kind of iffy about is that dress with the voluminous sleeves. I love the color, it's just the itch is throwing me off a little bit. But other than that, this was a great haul. So if you have any questions, obviously leave them in the comments down below. I'd love, love, love your feedback. And I will catch you guys next time.